of class 8. I am studying in Master G. Kalpakam Academy. Today I am here to present a seminar on the topic pollution of air and water. So let us start. Pollution of air and water. What is pollution? The presence of harmful substances in the air, land and water which can have an adverse effect on living beings and on the environment is pollution. Pollutants. A substance released into the environment due to natural or human activity which causes pollution in the environment is called pollutant. Pollutants can be natural, such as volcanic ash. They can also be created by human activity, such as trash or runoff produced by factories. Pollutants damage the quality of air, water and land. Air pollution. When air is contaminated by unwanted substances which have a harmful effect on both the living and the non-living, it is referred to as air pollution. The substances which contaminate the air are called air pollutants. Sometimes such substances may come from natural sources like smoke and dust arising from forest fires and volcanic eruptions. Pollutants are also added to the atmosphere by certain human activities. The sources of air pollution are factories, power plants, automobile exhausts, and burning of firewood and dung cakes. Air pollutants. Some air pollutants are carbon monoxide, smog, sulfur dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons, also known as CFC. Carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is produced from incomplete burning of fuels such as petrol and diesel. It is a poisonous gas. It reduces the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. Smoke. Smoke is made up of smoke and fog. Smoke may contain oxides of nitrogen which combine with other air pollutants and fog to form smoke. The smoke causes breathing difficulties such as asthma, cough and wheezing in children. Sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is produced by combustion of fuels like coal in power plants. It can cause respiratory problems including permanent lung damage. Chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. These are used in refrigerators, air conditioners and aerosol sprays. CFCs damage the ozone layer of the atmosphere. The ozone layer protects us from harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Taj Mahal. We all have seen Taj Mahal at least once in our life, either in real life or in photo. This photo was taken before Delhi was fully with pollution, and this photo was taken after Delhi was completely with pollution. Reducing of the brightness of the white marble is caused by acid rain, which is also a result of air pollution. Steps taken by the Supreme Court. These are the steps taken by the Supreme Court to protect the beauty of the Taj Mahal from getting reduced. Or it has ordered industries to switch to cleaner fuels. Examples are CNG, compressed natural gas, and LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. And the automobile should switch over to unleaded petrol in the Taj zone. Greenhouse effect. The sun's rays keep the Earth's surface warm. Some of the solar radiation is absorbed by the Earth, while a part of it is reflected back into space. This reflected radiation is trapped by the atmosphere of the Earth. This phenomenon, which imitates the greenhouse of a nursery, known as the greenhouse effect. Global warming. The warming up of the Earth is termed as global warming. Global warming will result in extreme temperature conditions. There will be changes in the precipitation patterns which may lead to floods and droughts. The water trapped in the ice caps of the polar regions will start melting at a rapid rate which will cause sea levels to rise. Initiatives to reduce air pollution and global warming. These are the steps that must be followed to reduce air pollution and global warming. These are using CNG, compressed natural gas as a fuel to run public transport, switching over from traditional fuels to alternative cleaner fuels such as solar energy, wind energy and hydropower energy, planting of trees to reduce carbon dioxide. Water pollution. Now let us see how is water how is water getting polluted and ways to reduce water pollution. The addition of harmful substances to water which causes its physical, chemical and biological properties to change is called water pollution. The substances that pollute water are called water pollutants. Sewage, toxic chemicals, silt, etc. are examples of water pollution. Factors that have contributed to the increase in the pollution levels of the rivers are dumping of large quantities of garbage into the river, releasing of untreated sewage water into the river, throwing of dead bodies into the river. Washing, bathing and defecating near the shores of the river, throwing flowers and idols of gods and goddesses into the river, dumping non-biodegradable substances such as polythene bags into the river. Ganga Action Plan. An ambitious plan to save the river called the Ganga Action Plan was launched in 1985. It aimed to reduce pollution levels in the river. However, the increasing population and industrialization have already damaged this mighty river beyond repair. Now, the government of India has launched a new initiative known as National Mission for Clean Ganga (NMCG) in 2016. Purification of water. Impure water can cause many diseases like typhoid, diarrhea, and cholera. For getting purified water, we can follow these ways. These are filtration of water, boiling of water, adding chlorine to water, and adding bleaching powder. I hope you have understood this concept now. Thank you and have a nice day.